Hi everyone, my name is Jovan D'Souza. I built a financial analyst AI agent capable of answering questions related to stock and their financial analysis. I've always faced the problem that whenever I want to buy a stock, I don't know the analysis, I don't know the market research about it. So I wanted to create a tool that would analyze and summarize all the information out there so that as an investor I can make a better investment decisions. So let me give you a walkthrough of how this works. So let me start the demo first. So the entire system is built in Master and it's deployed using the um, Nosana network. So this is the final deployed version. So as we can see, we have a financial analyst agent here, and it has all these tools. It has search tools, and it has finance tools from Yahoo Finance, and we can ask it questions like provide analysis of Microsoft stock and let me know if it's a good time to buy. It's some kind of question I would always ask myself. I wish there was a tool for the same. So we can click run, and this is going to be running on a decentralized GPU. So let this happen. In the meanwhile, I'll explain um, how it works. So as you can see, we have called the tools for getting the current stock and historical prices, and it provides us with the data. Okay, and that's fine. um, so the so um, we have leveraged the masters framework to use MCP as tools. So there are MCP servers for Yahoo Finance and DuckDuckGo. We use the MCP client feature of the master framework that allows us to use them as tools. That way we don't have to write the tools ourselves. So which means creating this agent is as simple as using MCP servers and writing a prompt. That is, the prompt does the following things: it gathers data using the financial data from Yahoo, it synthesizes and it makes predictions and gives users a synthesized, summarized output of everything. So this is the tools, and so the issue I notice is with small models like Gwen, which is just 7 billion model. If you provide a lot of context that comes from the financials, that is not enough, or that sort of confuses the LLM to give a wrong prediction. So the way I solve this is using agent orchestration. So we have created specialized agents for each of the subtasks. So let me show the demo of that as well. So if we go to workflows, we have a financial agent workflows, and we can sort of ask, like say Apple. So it's going to do the same thing, but in a multi-agent fashion. So we'll have an agent that can just figure out what is the ticker for Apple, that is APPL. So this agent figures that out. Then we have this fetch stock data step that fetches all the data at once from Yahoo Finance. Once all the data is fetched, we call the sub agents, and then we finally summarize it. So let me give show you the code how it works. So the ticker agent is responsible, given the company name or the user's input, find what is the ticker, because we need this ticker for getting the Yahoo Finance data. For after that we have sub agents, one for dividend analysis, one for cash flow analysis, similarly for news and sentiment, income statements, earnings. If you try to do all of these in a single agent, it doesn't give a much better output. But if you do it in separate agents, the output is like very nice. So once we have so it consists of these four steps: fetch ticker, fetch stock, then we call analyze stock data. Analyze stock data, we then run all these agents in parallel. like dividend agents, news analysis agents. All these agents are run in parallel, and the output is then sent to the summary agent, which summarizes all the data and shows it to the user as input. Okay, this is one use case. But how do I actually plan? What's my go to market strategy for this? So that's where the MCP server feature of the master framework comes in really helpful. So master has this feature where you can export your agent as a MCP server tool. So as an end user, I can simply use a tool like Claude Desktop, set this to the Nosana endpoint, and I can open my Claude Desktop. I can see here I set it, so I can see my tool as Financial Analyst Agent exposed here. So I can ask it the same question, like analyze the, just ask it a simple question like what is the current stock price of Microsoft. So now all those tools that are available on my Nisana node is also available in my Cloud Desktop. So this is a nice way I can create like specialized agents, like financial agent is one thing, my personal email agent is one thing, and I can sort of link it to a central system user interface like Cloud Desktop, and I can perform my financial queries from the Cloud Desktop itself.